it all the time. Don't drink and drive. So is drinking and driving the same as DUI? Welcome. My name is Steve Fagan from the law firm of Fagan, Fagan & Davis, a DUI defense attorney here in the Chicago area. It's a great question, and because you hear it all the time, it's a common question. So is drinking and driving the same as DUI? Let's talk about it. First of all, let's get one thing out of the way. No, drinking and driving is not the same as DUI. You don't even have to be drinking to get a DUI. The most common kind of DUI, of course, does involve consumption of alcohol. The two most common ways to be charged with DUI involve driving under the influence of alcohol, which is defined as driving or being in actual physical control of a vehicle while you have any amount of alcohol in your system that impairs you, or driving or being in actual physical control of a vehicle while you have a blood alcohol content of 0.08 or above. What is the legal limit in Illinois? If I ask you that question, you've probably already answered it. You've probably blurted out 0.08, obviously, because it's what you've heard over and over again. But it's not that simple. The fact is that if you blow a 0.05 to a 0.079, there's no presumption either that you're impaired or that you're not impaired. Furthermore, if you blow above a 0.00 but you blow below a 0.05, there is a presumption in your favor, a strong presumption in your favor that you're not impaired. And it's very difficult for the state to overcome that. If you blew a 0.05 to a 0.079, the prosecution still can present other evidence to try to demonstrate that despite the fact you didn't blow a 0.08 or above, you may still be a DUI. Now, in addition to drinking and driving not equaling DUI, there's other things that you can do while driving that have nothing to do with drinking that may also result in a DUI. You can be charged with DUI based on consumption of cannabis or marijuana. You can be charged if you have methamphetamine in your system or any other illegal substance. And finally, the fact that you're taking a prescription medication that may render you unsafe to drive isn't a defense to DUI in Illinois. And so DUI and drinking and driving are not the same thing. One final note, and that is if you're under the age of 21 and you've consumed any amount of alcohol and driven, it's not a DUI, but you're still not allowed to do that. That's illegal in its own right. Thanks for joining me. My name is Steve Fagan from the law firm of Fagan, Fagan & Davis, a DUI criminal and traffic defense firm here in the Chicago area. Call us at the phone number you see on your screen right now, and we'll be happy to talk to you about your case if you're facing charges like a DUI.